Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm gonna do a tutorial today on how to make this beautiful 3D flower. I'm gonna be using this white yarn and I will be using this 2.5mm crochet hook. Okay, to start off with, I just tend to hold my yarn like this, take my crochet hook and twist the yarn around, go ahead, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to slip stitch in the center, chain 1, place a total of 15 single crochets in the center. Your first single crochet always counts as 2. So I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're going to go ahead and slip stitch into that first space there, and that is round 1 complete. For round 2, chain 3, and all we are doing in this round is chaining 3 and then doing a double crochet in every other chain. So skip the first chain and double crochet and place a double crochet in that chain there. Chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet, chain 3, skip a stitch,
double crochet, chain 3, skip a stitch, and double crochet, chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet, chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet, chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet, and then
chain 3, and we're going to go ahead and slip stitch into that first chain space there. So that's round 2 complete. Let's now work on the final round, which is the third round, and we are making our 3D petals in this round. Chain 3, slip stitch at the end of that post, the first post, chain 3, turn the work around, 6 double crochets in that 3 chain space that we've made there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the work back around. We are now going to place 4 double crochets in this bar just below that 6 double crochet petal, just there. So I tend to just fold my work like this. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet. Slip stitch into that first post there. And now slip stitch into the next first chain, chain 3. This is the pattern for all of these spaces, so that we're going to follow this pattern all the way around. So slip stitch after you've chained 3, chain 3, turn around, 6 double crochets in the back there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the work back around, and we're going to go into this bar down here and double crochet 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're going to go in with a slip stitch at the end of that post there. slip stitch at the start of the next post, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch at the end of the post, chain 3, turn the work around, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work back around, and we're going to chain, we're going to do 4 double crochet in the bar just below, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to slip stitch at the end of the post just there, and that's our third petal complete. Chain 3, slip stitch, chain 3, turn the work around, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work around, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch in that first space, chain 3, slip stitch, chain 3, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work around, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet to start the next space, chain 3, slip stitch, chain 3, turn the work around, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn the work around, and 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet, slip stitch the next space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, slip stitch, chain 3, turn the work around, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, start the next, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, turn the work around, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, turn the work around, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch. And there we have it. That's our beautiful motif piece. I hope that this video was helpful for you. And please like, comment, subscribe. It does not cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.